Technology as a way of revealing. The team Lorenzo, Angel, and Jasper.
So, who is Martin Heidegger? So, Martin Heidegger is a German philosopher who is best known for contribution to phenomenology, hermeneutics, and existentialism. Martin Heidegger is one of the most original and important philosophers in the 20th century. In this essay, the question concerning technology has suggested how we can establish a free relationship with technology. So, in this essay, Heidegger focused on our orientation to technology, not on the form of function. So let us moving on. So the whole philosophy of Heidegger focuses on the rule of ethics and social morality. So in the very essence and definition of technology, so in his treatise, the question concerning technology, so he emphasized the two definition of technology, the instrumental and the anthropological.
So the first definition states that technology as a mean to an end, while the second definition asserts technology is a human activity. And to understand this fully, Heidegger discussed concept of causality.
Heidegger argued that technology is a kind of biosis, a way of bringing forth or revealing, and as such is the realm of truth. So the word technology was derived from the word technikon, which is related to the word techni. So Heidegger make 2 points about techni. First, we have the techni refers to both. Second, techni is a kind of knowing.
The human condition.
So let's talk about the human condition. What is human condition? It is composed of essentials of human existence including birth, growth, emotion, aspiration, conflict, and morality of human being, the meaning of life, or moral concerns of human. So let's move on to human condition before common era. So what is common era? This is an era where people came together to form civilization. Why? Because the early humans has no civilizations, so they usually are nomads. Or what is nomads means they don't settled or they don't have any permanent places. In a simple way, these early humans are living inside a cave. Every living organism has a scientific name, and modern men are called Homo sapiens. And according to the scientist theories, Homo erectus is the early relative of Homo sapiens. They are able to make fire without realizing any scientific characteristic of heat and friction that they use for their day-to-day lives. So this Homo erectus actually doesn't exist anymore in this modern time because of evolutions. Next is human condition in common era. This is the start when people gathered together already and became a community or forming a tribe. The population became larger and also many necessities are needed. The main necessities in the population are food and water. So because of this, main source of food or the several species became extinct due to the excessive hunting. And during this era, people began to hunt, produce crops, farming, and began to trade their goods and crops. During this era also, the physical strengths are the most important and valuable. So now that we are done discussing the lives of early human before Common Era and during Common Era, now let's talk about the essence of technology. So when we talk about technology today, it is all around. It is part of our daily lives. Now, nothing is not touched by technology in this present time. Because of technology, we don't have any problem in food, clothes, or anything. For examples, our clothes, early humans hunt animals and make the fur of an animals into their clothes. But now that we have technology, we can easily weave our clothes with different textures. And according to Martin Heidegger, he is describing the characteristic of human in every period of time, and of course, there is implication of the technology.